Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, I have spoilers for July for the base box and premium, like almost a full box for premium. So if that interests you, then just keep on watching.
I gave you my heart.
Okay, so let's just hop in and I will be reading a little bit about these spoilers because they're super interesting. Okay, for spoiler number 1, we have the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster valued at $49.95, and that's for 30 milliliters of product, so that's a pretty decent amount. So it's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea. We'll get to that in a second. Green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. Our vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. Additionally, it works well with acne-prone skin due to powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties in pineapple enzymes and green tea extract. Add to your moisturizer or night cream for a vitamin C boost or use alone as a serum. So, one itty bitty problem I have with this product is that on the ingredient list, pineapple is pretty low down on the ingredient list, which means there's a very like microscopic amount of pineapple in this product. So I don't really like it when they're like, but it's in there. It's in there. But it's like so little amount that I don't know if you would actually see any results from the pineapple. But as far as I'm reading, this sounds really great. UV damage protection is really awesome. You can always get that if you put on a sunscreen every single day. That will prevent aging. And watermelon's always good in your skincare as well. And that was high on the ingredient list. So I am liking that one. And then for spoiler number 2, which these are all choice items from when we chose earlier this month, is the Babe Lash Essential Serum valued at $59 for 2 milliliters. Get lush, longer looking lashes over time with award-winning essential serum. Apply serum every night directly to your lash line on clean, dry skin. One dip of the wand is enough serum for both eyes. Avoid touching your eyes until the serum has dried. When you're satisfied with the results, continue to apply serum 2 to 3 times per week to maintain lashes. Who doesn't want noticeably beautiful lashes? The award-winning Babe Lash Essential Serum will give you the lashes you've been looking for by enhancing the appearance of length and volume. It can also be used on brows with lash extensions. So that's an interesting new fun product. That'll be nice to see in Boxycharm because that's what's really cool about Boxycharm is being able to try new products that you normally wouldn't pick up in the store. Okay, so spoiler number 3 for the base box is the 111 Skin NAC-Y2 Pollution Defense Booster valued at $135 for 20 milliliters. $135. Okay. Providing multifaceted complexion defense. This essential booster utilizes the power of protective peptides and antioxidants to shield the skin and safeguard against damage caused by free radicals. A must-have for skin that is exposed to harsh urban environments and long periods of time in front of a screen. It maintains a healthy, fortified complexion. Defends against accelerated aging caused by screen-emitted light. I didn't know that was a thing. Forms a protective barrier to shield against air pollution and heals the skin to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So, wow. Okay, that's a new interesting product. So that seems like it would be pretty awesome and new to get. Okay. So moving on to premium, we have a lot of products to go over for premium for July already. Joe just like dropped a bunch of spoilers all at once and it was pretty cool. So we have the choice items, and then we'll move on to the newer ones to that. So spoiler number 1 is the Kenya Beauty Blush and Shine Kit, valued at $42. Its universally flattering blush and highlight powders are combined in one palette to create flawless cheek looks. The kit includes 3 highlighters to enhance your cheekbones and 3 perfectly matched blushes to achieve radiant and endless looks. These ultra-modern shades can be worn alone or layered together. The kits featured in Boxycharm will not come with a mirror. Okay. So, yeah. They are vegan, paraben-free, oil-free, cruelty-free, and not tested on animals. So that's a good thing. And then spoiler number 2 is the Kenya Beauty Set and Define Kit, valued at $42. This is personally the kit that I would want. Create natural-looking contours while adding balanced dimensions and light reflection with our Set and Define Kit. Our luxurious range of silky powders blend seamlessly into the skin to define and enhance your features with rich, buildable payoff and long-wearing finish. The kits featured in Boxycharm will not come with the mirror. They are vegan, paraben-free, oil-free, and cruelty-free. It does not say not tested on animals, though. So, yeah, that's the one that I would want because I love anything that has to do with contouring. And then we have spoiler number 3, which, you guys, it's so amazing. The Brow Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Face Kit, valued at $45. And you guys, this is amazing. Feel like a star in your own movie with the Brow Bar by Rima's Hollywood Icon Face Kit collection. You'll have all eyes on you. Each of our 6 palettes come with a richly pigmented, dazzling shades and shimmers of 4 eyeshadows, a translucent powder, 2 highlights, a blush, and 2 bronzers. It's just I mean, what can you say? Really? It's freaking beautiful. Alright, and then moving on to number 4 is the Morphe Brushes and Manny MUA's Glam Face Palette, valued at $20. I freaking love Manny. Oh my god, I love Manny. So, seeing another one of his palettes in here is super awesome. Are you ready to go glam with Manny MUA? Always. This mirrored palette pairs up 12 wearable, anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shook. Oh, Manny says, it's been so special for me to collaborate with Morphe on this glam collection. I'm so proud to be a part of a brand that can bring you such amazing quality at an affordable price. I know you guys will feel beautiful wearing these shades. Manny MUA. Oh, I love him. Okay, moving on. And then we have spoiler number 5, which is the Lord Jones, which I've never heard of this company before. And it is the high CBD formula body lotion. And there will be one that is scented, I believe. And the only scent I could find on their website is grapefruit. And then there will be one that's fragrance free. They are both valued at $60 for 100 milliliters. It used to be 50 milliliters, but they upped it to 100 milliliters for $60. So it's the same price, but they just added more, which I think that's super cool. Our Lord Jones CBD lotion is a soothing, rich, luxurious formula designed to be penetrating and readily absorbed. Formulated to create a cooling sensation upon contact, our moisturizing lotion has been crafted to deliver unparalleled absorption in an extra strength formula. Yes, please, bring on the moisture. Features are Lord Jones' signature fragrance, fresh with notes of sage, mint, and green citrus, also available in grapefruit fragrance as well as fragrance-free. So I think that is super awesome. And then it also says, each 100 milliliter bottle contains 200 milligrams of CBD, full spectrum CBD derived from select hemp cultivated in the USA. It also has less than 0.3% THC. So, I did have to hit a button that said I was 21 or older to get into their site. So I'm wondering if those are going to be variation products in case people who do purchase this box are under the age of 21. I'm not sure how they're going to work that. And then we have spoiler number 7, which is the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying 10% Glycolic Acid and Pore Control Complex, valued at $30 for 125 milliliters. I think that's a great price point. This pore clarifying toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients to help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. A toner that helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of the glycolic acid and a blend of ingredients. It helps pores, dullness, and uneven skin texture, and blemishes. And it's a lightweight liquid. So one issue I did have with this product is they don't have a full list of their ingredients on their website, which makes me a little nervous that they would not want to be fully transparent with their ingredient list. So, no. It does say that there is no synthetic fragrance. I really like that. I don't like fragrance in my skincare. But other than that, it doesn't have an ingredient list. And I thought that was really, really weird. Anyways, moving on to spoiler number 8 is the Biro Bitter Green Essence Toner, valued at $95 for 150 milliliters. So this looks super luxurious. It's an ultra soothing and balancing toner. Bitter Green Essence Toner is a highly concentrated, pore minimizing toner packed with a powerful proprietary blend of 33 different antioxidant-rich greens. This potent green complex contains a detoxifying combo of artichoke, broccoli, and matcha green tea that hydrates and purifies, helping to smooth unwanted texture and protect skin from dehydration. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish and soothe while safeguarding your skin from premature aging. Okay, so one more thing I have to say about this, because it is a skincare thing and I have been really researching my skincare lately, is it has a lot of fragrance in it, and one of the top ingredients on there is fragrance. And fragrance can just be really irritating to your skin and can sensitize your skin, and so it will make it harder to use other products in the future because it'll make your skin feel sensitive. So, but there is the broccoli in there, the artichoke I did see in there as well. So, overall a great product. So that is all I have for you guys today. Please let me know down below what you guys are thinking about these next boxes in July. Are you excited for July? Is it kind of like a I don't know what your favorite product is. I'd have to go with the, probably the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, or the 111 Skin. That one looks very interesting and unique. I'm not so sure about the Babe Lash Essential Serum because I don't know about putting serum on my eyelashes. That kind of makes me a little weary. And then for the July Premium, my favorite product from there would probably have to be the Brow Bar Hollywood Icon Face Kit, because oh my gosh. And I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the Mani palette as well, but honestly, I would like to get the Brow Bar Hollywood Icon Face Kit in my Boxycharm, which is $45, and then go and purchase the Mani palette because it's only $20. So that's probably what I would do. So please let me know down below what you guys think of these products. Please leave this video a thumbs up if you like the products that are coming in these next boxes, and leave a thumbs down if you don't like them at all. And like always, I really love you guys so very much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. And until next time, bye!